What's up, guys? Welcome to another video on my channel. It's a Saturday. I'm exhausted. I'm hungry, tired. Can't wait to get back to my apartment. Most of the videos are gonna start off most likely here in my shop because I'm here 6 days a week. Today I brought the F80 because we are doing a full carbon fiber lip swap. I was able to locate a lip that I've been wanting for a long time, which is a Laptorr Lip. It's a three-piece lip. The front lip, the side carbon fiber panels that go on the bumper. Back when I was searching for it in 2019, 2020, they were asking $1,500, $1,700. And I have KW suspension. The car's sitting pretty low. I go through lips. So far, I've been through 5 carbon fiber lips. Every single time I go with a CS style lip. So I can't see myself spending more than $500-600 per lip every time. So that being said, I was able to locate one at a very fair price. And if we do a little walk around of the shop as usual, here we have a 2020 A220 Mercedes with the AMG package. This one was involved in a side collision. And we have a Dodge Charger Daytona. This one we are painting the entire front end. This is actually a 2023 Daytona. And here we have a 2018 Lexus GS350. This one was also involved in a side swipe collision right here. Thankfully, AAA insurance is covering these damages. Thankfully, the customer did have full coverage because this was a hit and run. LA is crazy, everyone. If you're driving in LA, make sure to have full coverage. Here we have the CS lip I was rocking with. I've gone through easily 5 of this ones right here. Every time I go with the CS lips, my technicians are currently putting it on right now. Within the next week, I'm actually gonna upgrade to the V2 fangs. And as you can tell, these ones are pretty beat, so I just purchased this ones. They're gonna be coming in within the next week or two. All right, guys, so I'm off of work. I'm going through downtown LA. My business happens to be right in the middle of the heartbeat car accident capital of the entire world, in my opinion. I don't think accidents like this happen all over the world. I strongly believe that Los Angeles is a spot that attracts all accidents. I kid you not. It's a good thing for me, though. It's a good thing for, well, it's a good thing for me, but horrible for insurance companies. They get to pay repairs that happen every 40 seconds, according to State Farm, which is just mind-blowing. Anywho. All right, so I'm on my way to my apartment from work, finally off. Going straight to my apartment, picking up my girl to take her out to a nice lunch. And after that, probably go to Target. But later on tonight, guys, I'm gonna be doing a nice walk around and showing you guys how the lip looks. I saw it, I loved it. I can't wait to show you guys. And crazy enough, as I was driving around, I noticed that it was not scraping. So like I stated before, I had the CS lip a couple times and scraped left and right. I mean, I was on my 4th one, so can't wait to show you guys. These are such sick ass builds. Over here at the Valley M meet. Nothing but M's. The M5 twin. He's my fucking F80, yo. Ta-da! That's how the lip looks like. Very sick. I think we are going to be heading out to Woodland Hills in like 5-10 minutes. Gonna go on a little cruise. Damn, look at this. So sick. I'm not sure what this AMG's doing here. There's another AMG. We're about to go. Oh, jeez. E90, fucking legendary. Best sounding V8 in my opinion. Daddy, you better be counting. Oh my god, this E36, dope. Got a pretty sick as roll cage. What color is this? It's a fucking red.
I see everyone.
Hey bro, what color is this? What's the name of it? Colorado red?
Toronto red.
Toronto red?
Yeah, Toronto.
Fuck, it's sick, dude.
How you doing? How you doing? Is the home?
Yo, there's a car, watch out.
So fucking sick. Best lip in the market for an F80 M3. So this week I'm getting the V2 fangs and then new carbon fiber splitters and also new carbon fiber grills. The build is coming along. That's my girl in the background. All right, guys, so that's a wrap for this video. Thank you for watching. I do appreciate it. If you're still like subscribed to my channel, I didn't post a video in like a year and a half, 2 years. I apologize for that once again, but I'm trying to be more active. This is gonna be my second video in like a month, so that's surprising. Up next, like I previously stated, I'm going to be getting new V2 fangs for the front bumper, new carbon fiber splitters, carbon fiber grills, and a trunk lip. I'm going with a different trunk lip this time. I keep going with a CS, but I'm going to be going with a high kick PSM. Should be getting it tomorrow actually, so I'll be recording that. Other than that, stay tuned. Make sure to follow my business page, Luis Body Shop, on Instagram. Follow me on my personal Blue Smurf F80 M3 on Instagram as well. Other than that, take care, guys. Have a nice week.